In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Trello. Custom fields can be a game changer when it comes to organizing your Trello boards. They allow you to tailor each card to suit your specific needs, whether that's tracking budgets, setting priorities, or adding deadlines. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and using custom fields to make your Trello workflow more efficient and personalized. So let's get started. First, open your Trello board and click on any card where you'd like to add a custom field. This will bring up the card's detailed back view, where you can see all the options and features available for that specific card. Next, locate the section labeled Add to Card. In this section, you'll find an option called Custom Fields. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you don't see custom fields listed in the Add to Card section, don't worry. Instead, navigate to the menu for your Trello board. From there, look for Custom Fields and select it. This will give you access to the same functionality. Once you've accessed the Custom Fields feature, you'll see a button that says Plus New Field. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll set up your new field. Start by entering a short, clear name for your field. For example, if you're tracking budgets, you might name it Budget, or if you're prioritizing tasks, you could name it Priority. Choose something that makes sense for what you want to track. After naming your field, it's time to pick the right field type. Trello offers several options to fit different needs. If you need a space for short notes or manual labels, choose the text field. For numbers such as costs or quantities, select the number field. If you want a drop-down menu with predefined options, like high, medium, or low, go with the drop-down field. For simple yes or no tracking such as done or not done, choose the checkbox field. And finally, if you need to track deadlines or milestones, the date field is the perfect choice. Once you've selected the field type, decide whether you want this field to be visible on the front of the card. There's a toggle option that allows you to turn this feature on or off. If you switch it on, the field will always appear on the card's front view, making the information easy to spot at a glance. When you're happy with your setup, click Create to finalize your custom field. At this point, your new field will be added to the card, and you're ready to start using it. To add data to your new field, simply click on the field within the card. Depending on the field type you chose, you'll either type in the value, select an option from the drop-down menu, check or uncheck a box, or pick a date using the calendar. It's a simple and intuitive process. If you need to add custom fields to other cards, just repeat these steps for each one. You can create as many custom fields as you need, tailoring your Trello cards to suit your exact workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and use custom fields in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.